Hi there. It could be easy as saying, create a Gmail account, then go ahead and create a YouTube channel. But statistics out there say something else. Why do I say so? It's because we have approximately 51 million YouTube channels out there. Of these, only a handful are active monthly and annually, despite there being over 2 billion people watching YouTube videos monthly out there. I know you'd hate to be part of the negative statistics because by default, you want your channel to succeed. You want to make a career out of YouTube. You want to see your videos doing well. That's why I'm making this video to share with you my thoughts with regards to how you can go ahead to create an awesome and successful YouTube channel in the 2022. And by the way, I've created multiple channels out there. Some have been successful, others have also failed terribly. And I think along the way, I've amassed a few lessons which I think I can share with you. Welcome to this channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. Having said that, I'd like to think about the bigger picture in 5 ways. Before you even start creating a channel, I like to think about 5 key things. The item number 1 is the reason as to why you're creating that channel. After you have a very solid reason as to why you're creating that channel, the second thing is you can go ahead and create your YouTube channel. But the hustle doesn't start and end there. After that, you need to have a very clear plan with regards to how you're going to be making the videos and what your upload schedule is going to look like. Then the fourth thing is that you're going to go ahead to create your videos, edit them, and upload them on your channel. And the fifth thing, which now most YouTubers fluke on, is you're going to need to have a very serious consistency, plan, and patience, because it takes time for you to see the fruits of your labor on YouTube. Having said that, let's look at each of these 5 items. Item number 1, why are you creating a YouTube channel in the first place? Of course, people out here create YouTube channels for different reasons. Some of them are reasons that make them fall right from the onset. Others are reasons which are going to make them succeed with some well-organized and dedicated effort. I like to think most people out here go ahead, for example, create a YouTube channel with the sole aim of making money from Google AdSense. Personally, I like to think that's the wrong approach to it. The right approach to it is you need to create a YouTube channel because you think you have some value. You think you have something unique. You're going to contribute to the community, and viewers out there are going to appreciate this value. What do I mean? When someone out there wants to do something, regardless whether you're talking YouTube or anything out there, you'd like to think about 3 key things. Okay? In that, you need to think about what your expertise is. In essence, what can you do with ease? What are you willing to learn and do in a short time frame, and so forth. Secondly, you'd like to think about what the utility you're rendering out there is. And in this context, what value are you giving the people who are watching your video? Assuming a stranger out there stumbles upon your video, what value are you bringing to the table? Because if there's no value, then most likely your channel is bound to fall as soon as it starts. That's why you need to be clear with regards to the reason you're creating your YouTube channel. Be clear with regards to what is your expertise and what value are you bringing to the community. What value is going to ensure audiences keep coming back to watch your videos. Because without that very clear reason upfront, you're going to end up clearly falling, whether at the start or even a few months into this course. After having a very clear reason with regards to why you want to start a YouTube channel, which I've said, let it be driven by the value bringing forth and your passion. And then revenue is going to follow. You don't start with the revenue and then try to think what your passion is. After that first step of you thinking clearly what is the reason you're starting a YouTube channel, then you can go ahead and create a YouTube channel. Reason number 2. How do you do that? It's very simple. First of all, you need a Gmail account, because YouTube is one of the products of Google. And of course, for you to utilize YouTube, you're going to need to have a Gmail account. So you need to open a Gmail account. Okay, it's very simple. Going to gmail.com, creating a Gmail account. If you have one already that you're using, you can also use that to be the channel which anchors your YouTube channel. You're going to use that to be the YouTube account, the Gmail account which anchors your YouTube channel. And then you're going to go to youtube.com. Under YouTube, there's an option to create a channel, okay? This option, you can evoke it by creating a channel using that respective Gmail account you point that channel towards. After that, everything else is you now doing what is necessary. Just creating a channel by itself is not sufficient. You need to also be clear with regards to what your brand is. Branding is essential because that's what is gonna stick in the minds of people, and they're gonna keep coming back. Right from what is the name of your channel, then what is the color theme or the color schemes of your channel, what is your logo, what is your banner looking like, and so forth. These are things you need to think about as you are creating a YouTube channel. That is the second step you need to consider. After the second step, the third step is that you need to have a very clear video plan. By this I mean the video you're shooting and also the videos you're uploading. What is your plan gonna look like? Because remember I told you at the end of it, you working hard, you working smart is not gonna ensure your channel picks off. So you need to have a very clear and dedicated video making and also video uploading plan. Because without this, your channel is gonna be like an empty slate. It won't have videos. But with a solid plan, it's gonna ensure you're uploading videos out there occasionally, regularly, and whatnot. So have a very clear schedule with regards to how you're making videos and how you're gonna be uploading. That is the third essential step. And then the fourth key step is now you being very clear with regards to how you're gonna start shooting these videos, editing them, and uploading. It's time now to execute. Go ahead and execute. Having a plan is one thing, but executing is a different whole game plan. And by the way, it is in execution that you learn what works and what doesn't work. So ensure you go ahead and execute. Start shooting your videos, start editing your videos, start uploading your videos. And in the course of doing this, you're gonna learn what works, what doesn't, what do the fans want, what do the fans dislike, and so forth. So start creating, executing, and don't look back. Guys, that's the fourth thing you need to consider. And then the fifth thing I'd like to share with you which you need to consider is that you need to have a very clear consistency and patience plan. What do I mean? Guys, YouTube is not an easy hustle. YouTube is not an easy hustle. You need to have a very clear plan with regards to how you're going to be consistent and also how you're going to be patient, because burnout is real. You know, mind block out there is real, because occasionally you're going to lack content, but you still need to keep going. Okay? Also, you being able to accept it's going to take some time for you to be able to make some progress on YouTube is going to assist you actually know what to do. So ensure you have a consistency and patience plan. And if you do that, hopefully you're gonna be able to at least make some movements on YouTube, and hopefully in a few months you're gonna reach some of the targets you're gonna have set initially. So those are the 5 key steps you need to consider when you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel in 2022. What do you think about these steps? I hope you've learned a thing or two from these. If you like this video, remember to drop a like and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't, because I'm going to be out here bringing you awesome videos about how to make things work on YouTube, how to make things work online, and so forth. Thanks for watching. Yours, stay safe, and see you next time.